Is needed to be changed in the blockchain? How do you do hundreds of thousands of transactions per second?
There are three main ways to go. To improve the the speed of the algorithms within the blockchain, to put some of the data somewhere outside on a proprietary system, like Lightning. And then the third way is to do some sort of sharding or partitioning where you put different kinds of data into different blockchains and then do a magic on top of that.
But everything you're saying gets you to like 2,000 QPS. Like, how do you get to 100,000 QPS?
If you put million blockchains one on top of the other and have them
yeah, but you start losing efficiency with number of shards, though.
Obviously, within sharding, the other thing that is come up is Plasma within the Ethereum network, which is essentially tree-structured side chains. But as you were saying, the complexity as the depth of that tree grows means that the ability to interact between smart contract logic that is persistent on two independent shards makes the computation much more difficult.
Right.
So it's the sacrifice of speed or accessibility or additional complexity. You always have to give something up to gain something else.
Let's say you need to build a solution to put 100,000 transactions per second in the next 6 months. Just record the data, all the clicks happening on the system, on the ad server, and all the transactions.
Some version of proof of stake is usually will get you there with sharding. Like you can do that today and probably get to 100,000.
Obviously, the simple solution is to go with centralization, but that's not the solution that the community wants. It's not the solution that is optimal, because centralization essentially removes a lot of the very security that the blockchain creates in the first place. So you have to ask what level of compromise you're willing to accept. Are we giving up security for speed? The determinant is the end users. If they're willing to accept that compromise for that utility, then that is absolutely the correct method for a temporary holdover. I would say that the ideal solution is definitely decentralized in nature, though.
What he said.